Hey guys, just another quick video while I'm waiting for Costco to open. I was here at Costco a few days ago and made some purchases and got a little bit of a surprise when I got home. And so I wanted to talk about that and share my experience with you. And also, first of all, it's a little windy out here, so I hope you can hear me just fine. I hope the wind's not affecting the audio. But so I went to Costco, picked up a few things, kind of my normal stuff that I get sometimes when I go to Costco. And I got home, and one of the things that I had purchased was squash and zucchini. Now, if you shop at Costco, you can buy squash and zucchini. It comes in a bag. It's already pre-bagged. There's usually like 6 of them or something in the bag. And so I got home, and I got ready to open up that bag and unload the squash and zucchini into my refrigerator. And as it turns out, my fingers went right through one of them. It was rotten, completely rotten. And upon inspection, I discovered that all of them were just rotten through, just nasty. And I was a little disappointed, and I thought, well, that's crappy. Okay, and it's never happened before at Costco, right? So kind of a surprise, but that's okay. So I also bought a bag of red plums, and so then I went to open up the bag of red plums to unload those, and wouldn't you know it, they're rotten, or most of them are rotten. We salvaged a couple of them. So now I'm starting to think, and I'm thinking, what the heck's going on? This has never happened before at Costco. But then I started thinking, and I'm wondering if the food prices are causing retailers to try to extend the life of their fresh goods like that. Maybe they're not rotating it and pulling it off the shelves as quickly as what they used to, because they're hoping to recoup some funds or something. Maybe, I don't know. It's just, it's a thought. If food prices are so high and retailers are shelling out all this money, they don't want to just throw out all this food. So maybe they're trying to extend the life a little bit, so the quality of the food might be starting to go down compared to what we're used to here in the United States, right? So, I don't know. Have you seen this? I'm curious to know if for those of you who shop at Aldi and Walmart and Target, let me know where you shop, and let me know if you've seen any degrading, any worse quality of the fresh produce and things that you're finding there. Because I'd be curious to know if maybe that's what's going on. So, yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Just a short one. I just wanted to share that thought with you and yeah, see what you think. Let me know. Thanks.